Today we're looking at pure original ingredients diatomaceous earth, a 16-ounce container of freshwater DE powder. The label highlights its single ingredient composition, emphasizing purity with no additives or fillers. This diatomaceous earth is marketed as a versatile product for various DIY projects, including homemade deodorants, exfoliants, and even as an absorbent for cleaning up spills. The key active ingredient is silica, which is what gives diatomaceous earth its unique properties. Now let's talk about the actual product. The powder is finely ground, as you'd expect. It has a light, almost chalky texture. I tested it out in a few different applications. First, I tried making a simple deodorant paste using coconut oil and a few drops of essential oil. The diatomaceous earth absorbed the oil well and created a smooth, spreadable consistency. It did a decent job of controlling odor, although it wasn't as effective as some commercial deodorants. Next, I mixed a small amount with my facial cleanser for a gentle exfoliating scrub. It definitely provided some exfoliation, but I'd recommend starting with a very small amount, as it can be a bit abrasive if you use too much. Finally, I tested its absorbency on a small kitchen spill. It worked as advertised, quickly soaking up the liquid. Overall, pure original ingredients diatomaceous earth seems like a decent product for those interested in natural DIY solutions. The single ingredient composition is appealing, and the price is reasonable for the quantity you get. However, it's important to manage expectations. While it can be used for various purposes, it may not be a perfect replacement for commercial products in all cases. Remember to always do a patch test before applying it to your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Also, be sure to avoid inhaling the powder, as it can irritate your lungs. If you're looking for a natural, versatile ingredient for your DIY projects, this diatomaceous earth is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.